Have you ever wondered if there's a magic potion out there that could help you lose weight effortlessly while you sleep? Well, what if I told you that such a potion might exist? And it's as simple as a drink you can make in your kitchen. Imagine this: a simple nightly ritual that could melt away belly fat. A ritual involving nothing more than a soothing, refreshing drink made with ingredients from your local grocery store. Intriguing, right? Let me take you on a journey through making this incredible drink, exploring how each ingredient contributes to weight loss, and how you can easily incorporate it into your nightly routine. As night falls and the world quiets, your body slows down, especially your metabolism. While you're nestled comfortably in your bed, your body isn't breaking down materials as efficiently as it could. That's where this special drink comes in. Drinking it before bed could boost your metabolism to continue burning fat even as you dream. What goes into this miraculous concoction, you ask? The recipe is simple yet potent, combining the fat-fighting powers of cucumber, ginger, lemon, aloe vera, and a blend of parsley or cilantro. Firstly, consider the humble cucumber, a powerhouse in weight management. Low in calories, but high in water and fiber, cucumbers help fill you up without weighing you down. They're also incredibly refreshing, adding a crisp, clean taste to your drink. Next, we add parsley or cilantro, which are more than garnish. These greens are low in calories, but high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help combat water retention and bloat, making your stomach look and feel flatter. Ginger. Ginger, a known metabolism booster, is the next ingredient. It speeds up the digestion process and prevents constipation, both of which can help in reducing belly fat. Ginger adds a spicy kick to the drink, warming you from the inside out and working its magic while you sleep. The zesty punch of lemon juice not only enhances flavor, but also aids in detoxification. Rich in vitamin C, lemon juice helps flush out toxins from the body and improves digestion, contributing to weight loss and a feeling of overall wellness. Finally, aloe vera juice rounds out our mixture. Famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera helps fight bloating and swelling, while boosting the rate at which your body breaks down materials. To make this drink, you'll need 1 cucumber, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, 1/2 glass of water. Simply blend all these ingredients together and drink a glass before bed. It's that easy. Incorporate this drink into your nightly routine by enjoying a glass right before you sleep. Pair it with about 30 minutes of morning cardio when you wake up to enhance its effects. You might start noticing improvements in just a few days. By now, you must be wondering if it's really that simple. Yes, it is. Nature offers us these powerful ingredients, and with a little knowledge and a blender, you can harness their benefits. More ideas and tips. Let's dive a little deeper into why this drink is effective and explore some variations to keep your nightly routine interesting and flavorful. Beyond just the basic recipe, you can experiment with adding other metabolism-boosting ingredients like mint, which adds a refreshing touch and can help with digestion. or a sprinkle of cayenne pepper, which can kickstart your metabolism even further due to its capsaicin content. It's also worth noting why exactly this drink works best at night. During sleep, your body repairs itself, and by boosting your metabolism with these ingredients, you're actually helping it to do its job more efficiently. The better your body metabolizes fat at night, the less you'll have to hang around when you wake up. Moreover, establishing a nighttime routine that includes a healthy habit, like drinking a weight loss beverage, can also signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for a restful sleep, which is a crucial part of any weight loss plan. Poor sleep can sabotage even the most dedicated diet effort, so improving sleep quality is paramount. Now let's talk a bit about consistency and expectations. It's essential to manage expectations when embarking on any new diet or health routine. While this drink can undoubtedly aid in your weight loss journey, it's most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of it as a booster, not a sole solution. Sticking to 1 glass per night is ideal for those who are curious about how often and how much to drink. This ensures you get a concentrated dose of the ingredients' benefits without overwhelming your body right before sleep. As we wrap up, remember that health journeys are personal and can vary significantly from person to person. What works wonderfully for one person might not work the same for another. Therefore, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns or are considering significant changes to your diet or health regimen. In closing, experimenting with natural ingredients like the ones in this drink is a step toward healthier living and exploring the natural benefits of foods. It's a delicious, simple addition to your nightly routine that could lead to noticeable results. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey into natural weight loss solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips and recipes. Thank you for watching. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends who might be looking for simple and effective ways to lose weight.